And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. Nah. Like, I'm real hype. So click on out if you ain't hype with me. Like, my hair looks amazing. I feel amazing. It's Friday. Like, what else? We are blessed, okay? Y'all are watching me on your devices, your computer, your TV, your phone. You privileged in that regard, at least to be able to watch YouTube videos for enjoyment, to possibly be able to afford hair products just for the hell of it because you have enough in your stash, most likely. I'm reading your emails. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and I'm sorry, I'm just on 10, on 20, on 30. I'm just lit right now, and my hair looks good. Yes, we can see that. It's clear that I'm defined and just serving you Halloween, fall, vampirous, what else? I don't know, that's all I got. Vibes, okay? So today's video obviously is going to be my Do It Fro the Culture by the Main Choice review, demo. Y'all been here before, and if you haven't been here, you should subscribe because we're always, most of the time, 85% of the time, on 10. So today is one of those days where I'm feeling myself, feeling these products. My Instagram is really popping right now. I've been really active on there almost every single day posting. So go ahead and follow me over there if you are not doing that, because like, we family, you know, by this point, we family. Like, we talk every day, all day, basically on some form. Y'all be in my emails, y'all be in my DMs, y'all be in my... We are family, okay? So after that, way too long of an intro, let's hop right in. And I purchased myself my own money at Sally's, and you already know Main Choice is not cheap, okay? We all already know that, but they do perform most of the time. My last review on the type 4 leaf clover, I'll link it around here. If you're interested, you can go check that out. I always give honest opinions, paid or unpaid. It is what it is, you understand? Next, we have the shampoo. This is called the Powerful Shampoo for Untouchable Definition and Unmatched Volume. Do y'all hear these words? Untouchable, unmatched. And it's powered by black charcoal and black cumin. And it's for afro textured hair. Hello, hi. That's me. I didn't mean to calm down like that. I need to calm down. If you guys want like a rundown on this collection, you can go ahead and go on their Instagram, on their website. I will leave some info down below. Pretty much a self-love, black empowerment collection, which is pretty cool. It has the yellow, the gold and red and green, you know, theme going on. I get what they're trying to do there. So the first few ingredients in this collection are water, glycerin, propylene glycol, sodium cocoa glutamate, cocomatopropyl betaine, cetrimonium chloride, and aloe. This is the first like whatever amount of ingredients. Listen, this shampoo was probably my least favorite out of what I tried in this collection. It basically felt like it was stripping my hair. See, if you're not new here, you know that I love the Main Choice for their shampoos and conditioners. So I wouldn't reach for this if I was going to use their products. I would reach for their 3-in-1 shampoo. What's it called? No, they have a detangling shampoo that is my favorite shampoo out of all of their collections. So that one is very moisturizing, very softening, and also cleansing. This one left my hair feeling dry. So if you want a super, super clarifying shampoo, if your hair is mad dirty, you might like this. But I was like, on it. If we're going to be honest here, which we are. That's what we're doing here. We're going to be honest. Then I went in with the Courageous Conditioner. See, they have like a theme going on here. The shampoo was the Powerful Shampoo. The conditioner is the Courageous Conditioner. Same exact like charcoal and cumin ingredients. If you want to know like what they're good for, it locks in moisture, absorbs impurities, rich in nutrients. This conditioner, first few ingredients are, where are they? Here they are. Water, safflower seed oil, betharomonium methyl sulfate, which is derived from rapeseed oil. So I really like this. I did not buy the mask that came with the collection because I feel like I always buy masks and people always ask for the conditioners. I felt like for the price point and what y'all probably would pick up, the conditioner might be more popular, so I bought this one as opposed to the more expensive mask. The mask also is more of a strengthener, and I wanted something that was more moisture packed and help me detangle my hair and a quick in and out thing. So I bought the conditioner and not the mask, and I absolutely love it. The main choice really makes good conditioners, like hands down. Slip, yes. The texture was nice and light, and I posted a video on my Instagram story, like my hair sucked it up. It soaked into my strands, and that's how you know your hair really does like the conditioner when it disappears. Hands down, 10,000 thumbs up. I will use this again. My hair felt amazing, you guys. Like, I don't know, like it just felt like butter. Like I don't know. I'm real lit right now, and people are going to comment that I'm gassing them or whatever. Listen, I'm not getting paid to do this. They don't know who I am, and it is what it is. Okay? If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. You understand? You're right. I don't even have no coffee. What's wrong with me? Next, I went in with the Accomplished Triple Layer Leave-In. Accomplished. See, the theme is just going on. And same thing, black charcoal, black cumin. The first few ingredients in the leave-in are water, glycerin, castor seed oil, aloe, vitamin C, biotin, and the list goes on. This is going to be a new favorite of mine because it is thickety thickums for a leave-in, and it softened up my hair. I was able to detangle my hair in large sections. I just am like questioning life as to what they're doing over there in the labs. I mean, nah. It was good, y'all. It was good. When I use this again, I will probably put a butter on top instead of their buttery gel that comes next, because I think for like a week of moisture, you might need something thicker if you are high porosity or if your hair just like thirsty like mine can be. I don't know if I like this for a whole week. It looks amazing, it feels amazing, but a week it doesn't feel like that moisturized because I only used the leave-in. And the next thing that I grabbed, which came, it's open, I almost spilled it. I would have been so mad. Oh gosh. Why did I wear this shirt on here? It can't even stay right. So this is the Bold Buttery Gel. So it's like a moisturizing gel type of thing. So for me, I should have put, or I can put going forward, a butter or a little bit more moisture before putting on the gel, because usually I would put a leave-in, a butter, and then a gel if I'm going to use gel. You know what I mean? So this one is the, bold is like the theme, Bold Buttery Gel. And first ingredients are water, aloe, glycerin, black cumin oil, polysorbate 20 derived from fruits apparently, vitamin C, biotin, and the list goes on. Chamomile, vitamin D, horsetail extract, all these goody things. Okay. This gel was popping and my hair looks really good right now. The definition is definitely there. But like I said, I would want some moisture for like a week long twist out. Don't get me wrong. So I would use this on a regular basis, but I'm just thinking for a long time of lasting moisture, I should have put a butter or a cream-based product right after the leave-in before the gel, because the gel's supposed to be moisturizing, but it's not. It's definitely more on the gel side than on the butter side, if that makes sense. It's supposed to be the best of both worlds. It's supposed to nourish and moisturize like a butter and control like a gel. Delivers amazing flexible hold without excess weight. I can attest to that. My hair definitely does feel super light, super fluffy, not weighed down at all, not crusty at all, no flakes, not one flake in sight, my guy, okay? So that's it, you guys. Like, would I buy this? Definitely, well, I did buy it. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I would. But I'm not sure, because I have the 24 karat gold gel that I absolutely live and die by. So I'm going to actually do a video comparing this gel to 24 karat gel and see how that holds up. I don't really remember, you know, I can't really compare it top of my head right now, I'm not going to lie to y'all. So if you want me to do a video comparing the two latest Main Choice gels, let me know down below, because I actually need to know if it's worth filming or doing myself in my room, because you know this takes time. So if you're gonna watch it, let me know, like dead ass, let me know. Yeah guys, my hair's really cute, I feel really cute. That's the whole review. I absolutely love it. What would I spend my coins on? Would have to go to the conditioner, the leave-in, and the buttery gel. The shampoo, I'm a no on. It was a little too drying for my taste. I didn't buy the spray. I'm not really a big thing on like buying sprays. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know down below, are you gonna buy this collection? Yeah, are you gonna buy it? Did you already buy it? How do you feel about it? Let me know. I'm curious. I'm dropping the mini video on my Instagram very soon after this uploads, so go ahead over there and interact with me over there, because you know we family and we a team and we gotta go together. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, all that stuff, click the bell, you know, the whole YouTube spiel. Now I'll see you guys in the next one. What was that? What am I doing with my face? Like what? Let me know down below if you heard LMI's new album. LMA? Is it LMA? LMI? LMA? I don't know. Let me know down below if you heard her new album. I'm curious, because it's popping or whatever.